Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you clear the video that you have watched on Facebook. So if you want to just clear it, go to Facebook. After that, click the top right three dash icon, scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, scroll down again and click on this option, activity log. Now click on the last option, logged information. After scrolling, click on search, this icon, and here you can see video you have searched for. Click on it. After clicking it, here you can see all the video that you have searched for. If you want to just delete it, click that three dot icon and click on delete, like this. So guys, that's how you can delete Facebook video search history. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.